Hi everyone, it's Adam. It's time for another thing to make or build. Today it's gonna be a snow angel. So what I'm gonna do, I have a hat, and I have gloves, and I have a jacket on. So I'm gonna make a snow angel and hopefully not get too wet when I do it. So here I go. I'm gonna tilt my camera down so you can see my snow angel in the snow. I have my hat ready. I'm gonna put on my hat and my gloves and get ready to lay down in the snow. And when I'm laying down, I'm gonna flap my arms and my legs till I can make the shape. So here I go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I move my arms and legs like this until I move the snow out of the way and I make my shape. Okay, I'm gonna try and stand up and not wreck my artwork. And here is my snow angel. There it is. Hey, thanks for watching. And you can do lots of cool stuff in the snow. You can make a snow fort. You can make a snowman. Today, it was a snow angel. Okay, thanks everybody. I will see you later.